All right, so this question is solution Stoich. We're given a concentration and we're asked to find volume of the sodium hydroxide. So step one, we've got to write our balanced equation. So I'm reacting sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH. This is aqueous. And I'm adding solid aluminum sulfate. So aluminum sulfate would be Al2, SO4 with a 3 here. This is a double replacement reaction, so I'm going to get aluminum hydroxide and sodium sulfate. If we balance this, I need 6 here, because if I put a 2 here, I'm going to get 6 hydroxides. So I need to balance my aluminum. That gives me 6 hydroxides. Now I've got 6 sodium, so I need a 3 here to balance those. This gives me 3 sulfate, 3 sulfate. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, figure out what are we looking for, what do we know. So I've got a 50-gram sample of solid aluminum sulfate. Okay, I also have the concentration of sodium hydroxide. I know that it's 0.100 moles per 1 liter. But I'm looking for what volume of this. So V, trying to find volume of sodium hydroxide. So in the end, I want my units to be liters of NaOH. That's what I want to end up with. Start with our known, which is the mass of this. I also need to find the molar mass of aluminum sulfate, because I'll need to use that eventually as well. So our molar mass is 342.17 grams per 1 mole. So I want to end up with liters of sodium hydroxide. I start with my known, which is my mass of aluminum. So I've got aluminum sulfate. I've got 0.50 grams of Al2SO4. And I'm just going to write this over 1 so I can make it into a fraction. Now I want to cancel out grams and convert this to moles. So my first step is to get grams into moles. I use the molar mass to do that. What's up goes down, so I need to write grams in the denominator. So I've got 342.17 grams for every 1 mole. My grams will cancel. Now this leaves me with moles of aluminum sulfate. So I want to convert moles of my known to moles of my unknown. And we got to use the mole ratio to do that, which would be 6 moles of NaOH over, this is a coefficient of 1, mole of my aluminum sulfate. So I can cancel out moles of aluminum sulfate. This leaves me with moles of sodium hydroxide. So now I've got in moles, but I'm looking for volume. So to cancel out the moles here, I can use my concentration, and if I just flip it, I've got moles in the denominator. So if I write this as 1 liter of NaOH for every 0.100 moles of NaOH, then I can cancel my moles here. This leaves me with liters of NaOH for my final units. When we simplify this, I've got 0.50 times 6 divided by 342.17 times 0.100. So when we calculate that out, we get an answer of 0.0877. And this is going to be liters for our units. What you could do is you could move your decimal over 3 places, and you could write that as 87.7 milliliters as well.